Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S53 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check this number, by using a secret code, which is the fastest way, and by using the settings, which can be kind of a backup method, or whenever you will forget the secret code. So let's start with a code. We have to open the dialer. This is the place where we can enter and activate it. And the code is *#06#. And after scrolling down, you can see that here we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way by using the settings. As I said, it will be useful whenever you will forget the code or the code will not work. So let's enter the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And here we have to tap on Model and Hardware. And as you can see, right in the middle, we've got the serial number. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check the serial number of your CAT S53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.